Hello friends, myself Swapnil and welcome to my channel Zyka Street. Today I am going to show you one sweet recipe which is very easy to prepare and tastes delectable. So without wasting further time, let's start with the recipe. So first we need to prepare rabdi for this. For that I have taken half liter of milk. I'll add it in the wok and wait for it to boil. Here I have taken around 10 to 15 strands of saffron. I'll add 1 tablespoon of milk in this. Now allow the milk to boil for at least 10 more minutes. Keep on stirring in between. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's add sugar in this. Here I am adding around 2 teaspoons of sugar in this. One-fourth teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now mix it nicely and let it boil for another 5 minutes or until it reduces to half. By the time, let's move on towards our bread. Here I have taken around 5 pieces of bread. Whenever you have to prepare this sweet, try to take fresh bread. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to roll it. Now first we'll remove the corners of these breads. You can see that I have removed the corner of one bread. Now same way we'll remove the corners of all the breads. Now let's check the milk once. You can see that milk has reduced to half. Just switch off the flame and let it cool. See, this is the perfect consistency we need for this. Now by the time it is cooling down, let's prepare our rolls. Here I have taken around 200 grams of khoa. This is homemade khoa. If you want, you can take the market one also. In this I'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar and around 2 pinch of cardamom powder. Just mix it nicely. So now our mixture is ready. Let's make a small log with this. Your log's length should be equal to the length of your bread. Now same way we'll prepare all the logs. So let's meet after preparing all the logs. See, I have prepared all the logs. Now let's move on towards our bread. First of all, we need to roll the breads. Don't apply too much pressure. With light hand only you need to roll it. Now keep a log in the corner and just roll it. Apply some rabri to seal the corners. And just stick it nicely. You can see that my one roll is ready. Same way we will prepare all the rolls. So I have prepared all the rolls. Now I'll cut it into halves. If you want, you can keep it full also, but I am cutting it into half. Now we'll put it in the plate or serving dish. Pour some reduced milk or rabdi on the top. Some saffron milk. Saffron milk is not at all compulsory. If you have it, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Now I am adding few chopped almonds and it is ready to be served. Friends, you can see that it is looking so beautiful, so delicious. So do try out the recipe and give me your feedback in the comment box below.
Friends, I hope आपको मेरी वीडियोस बहुत पसंद आती हैं और अगर हाँ तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करिए, अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिए।